Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Cooking with Mr. and Mrs. E. Today we're going to make a pizza from scratch. Here is 1 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of dry yeast. Give it a stir to help the yeast convert the sugar to carbon dioxide gas, which will make the dough rise. We need 3 cups and a quarter bread flour for this recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Make a little well. Pour in the yeast water we made before. This is a mixture of 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Add it in as well. I use chopsticks to combine everything together. I use cooking spray on my gloves so that the dough doesn't stick while I knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I give another coat of spray to the bowl and spray the dough before I cover it with saran. And a dish towel and let it rest in a warm spot for 1 hour. This recipe will make 2 14-inch pizzas. You can freeze half the dough and use it later. Before rolling the dough out, be sure you dust with plenty of flour. I use a silicone non-stick sheet as well. Once it is rolled out, fold it in half and in half again to make it easier to transfer the dough to the peel. Before put the pizza on the peel, sprinkle coarse ground corn or grits, which will act like little ball bearings, to help slide our pizza off the peel and onto the stone. Now preheat the oven and the stone. In this way, when we cook the pizza, the crust will be nice and crispy in the middle. We put the provolones first. That way, it will form a barrier to keep our pizza crust from getting soggy. Next, we're going to put the sauce. This is our homemade tomato sauce. We cooked down about a dozen Roma tomatoes and added some salt, pepper, a dash of Tabasco, and Worcestershire sauce. You can use a can of crushed tomatoes for this part as well. Now it's the topping time. Mr. E bought some burrata. Burrata is made from buffalo milk and is similar to mozzarella cheese, but smoother and creamier. Now he is putting on some prosciutto. Prosciutto is Italian cured ham. It packs a lot of flavor, so a little goes a long way. It comes in slices as thin as paper. Sprinkle on some granulated garlic and dried oregano. Bake 25 to 30 minutes. Or until the cheese is bubbling and the crust is golden brown. Use your peel to transfer the pizza to a cutting board. A pizza wheel makes cutting the pie a snack. Buon appetito! Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. 谢谢观看，下次再见。